How to change password on AvaTrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to change your AvaTrade account quickly and safely, then first of all launch open the AvaTrade application on your mobile device and then make sure that you are inside this home page. Go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner and tap Logout at the top right corner. Once you've logged out of your AvaTrade account, click on Forgot Password in the login page. This will take you to the Reset Password tab from where you can easily change your password. Go ahead and enter your email address associated with AvaTrade in the text box. Once done, click Submit. Now, an email will be sent to you. Go ahead and check your email inbox. Click Open the email from AvaTrade and then click on this Click Here to Continue link. Select any web browser in the pop-up and it'll take you to the password reset page for AvaTrade. Before changing your password, you'll need to go ahead and select your birth month, birth day, and year. Once done, enter a new password you want to change to. Finally, click Save. Once you tap on the Save button, you'll be able to change your password on AvaTrade. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.